This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to buy a call option on Interactive Brokers. To begin, you must first ensure that options trading permissions are enabled within your account settings. This is a crucial initial step. Once confirmed, access your preferred Interactive Brokers platform, whether it is the robust Trader Workstation desktop application or the convenient mobile app. Then, simply use the search bar to locate the underlying stock for which you intend to purchase a call option. Before we proceed, let's quickly clarify what a call option is. Essentially, a call option provides the holder with the right, but not the obligation, to purchase 100 shares of an underlying stock. This right is valid at a predetermined strike price and only until a specific expiration date. Generally, call options become profitable if the underlying stock's market price increases beyond the strike price before or by the expiration. Grasping these fundamental elements is key to successful options trading. Now, let's move to selecting your call option. Once you have chosen your underlying stock, navigate to its option chain within the platform. Here, you will see various expiration dates. Select one that best suits your trading outlook. Call options are usually listed on the left side of the chain. Carefully choose your desired strike price from this list. To begin your purchase, simply click on the ask price corresponding to that specific call option. The final step involves reviewing and transmitting your trade. In the order entry window, specify the exact quantity of option contracts you intend to purchase. Remember, one contract typically represents 100 shares. It is often advisable to use a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price at which you are willing to buy. Before proceeding, carefully review all the order details, including any commissions and fees. Once everything looks correct, transmit your order to the market for execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.